number one driver?
I'm number one driver, the Maybach 2023, 100 million.
This is beautiful. This is rare, 1 of 99. I'm loving it. I hope you guys like it. You guys are gonna get to see the interior with us, and we're gonna check it out. We're gonna learn this car together, man.
Know we got the Hellcat 2018 wide body, and today we're gonna try to black this out, man. Limo tint. I heard my boys here do some great work, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen, man.
Just pulled up on a flatbed. Customer called, said I'm stuck in the city. I caught a flat, can't drive. These 26s are too big for me. I still want forgiatos. We told him we got some 24s because he wanted to downsize. So he picked out a nice set. So this bad boy is about to get a new set of 4Gs, which I'm gonna show you guys now, and we're gonna show you what it looks like when it's put on. The style that interested him the most was this. As you can see, it's in a brushed silver finish, so we're gonna get him powder coated, gloss black for him. We have all sizes in stock, so if you need immediate wheels, especially like custom forgiatos, call us right away. As you can see behind me, this is just a portion of the wheels. The inventory goes on and on, but check it out, guys. So the forgiato rims just arrived. We put them on the Aventador today, so you guys get to look at it firsthand. These are the front chrome maglias, and then look in the back how it concaves in more.
Little gift for the boss, that's all. Little gift for the boss. Little gift for the boss. Oh. Carlos! Of course, man. You look different.
Now, all right, I'm going straight this way, right?
Right.
Now, I'm going to cut up this way, and you're not going to see the sun no more.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Cause I be slanging this wood, they wanna chop it. No, I can't cuff on Lil' Shorty, don't do no copping. You would think it's 808, the way this beat knock it out. For the bullshit, when they hit, they go to bopping. She a lunch lady, cause the Joe, she give it sloppy stuff. They calling her real, and she keep begging me to stop it. They waiting for my mixtape, they telling me to drop it. But I gotta get my shit straight before I drop it. I be cutting up, might pull the plug right out the socket.
Alright, so this bad boy's in here for a few mods. We're gonna do some Brabus parts, including the hood scoop, roof scoop, the bottom light bar in the bottom. We're gonna add a carbon fiber roof wrap. We're gonna protect the full car in a clear SunTech wrap, which is about to go down live. As you can see in the wheels, it has these V shapes here. We're still undecided yet, but we're either gonna do a gloss white or we're gonna do a gloss black finish on that part of the wheel. This is like a $2 million truck, but it doesn't have a backup camera. So we're gonna add a backup camera to the screen as well. The sickest part, I'm gonna open it up for you guys. You gotta open these two latches first, press down, and now the top is open in the Maybach. This is what they mean when they say take the top off the Maybach. This is the G Maybach. Of course, what's a Maybach without the tables? This bad boy got the tables for both sides. And we're about to start on the clear wrap right this second. So you guys will see this right away.
Hop in. How you feeling?
Fire, bro. I love this place. That's adventure. It's like you're supposed to feel every single day.
Alright, you already know. My boy Gabe over there hooked it up. You already know. Come on. You see the work? The Batmobile is here. This is the only place you need to go. Autosports in the Bronx, baby. You already know. Come on, man. Summer's gonna be crazy. Come on. Look at that. Come on, now. Look at that. Too much, too hot to handle. You already know. Stay blessed, man.
Alright, so we got this new Escalade back here. It got hit on the rear door, quarter panel, and back bumper. So we're gonna have to remove all the components from the old door and put it on the door skin. Papalote, the quarter panel, no mucho bando, right?
No.
Check it out. We don't throw a bunch of bando.
Eso no tiene bondo. En ningún lado.
That's how you're supposed to fix a panel. You're not supposed to spear it with bando, because later on in the future, the paint is gonna start cracking up.
Really think I'm gonna